Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people. In today's video, we want to talk about squash 6ixBoss, big breeze up in a them town. Some boy have to pay dues. People, squash 6ixBoss find himself in a hot water. Squash 6ixBoss find himself in a volcano with lava, fire. People, squash 6ixBoss life and dancehall career in a serious trouble. Squash 6ixBoss have to go accept the plea deal by August 20th. Squash 6ixBoss, people, in a make no sense. Him go court because if he make the case I go trial, people them a go throw the whole book at squash 6ixBoss. People, we make some talk and we tell some people some things and they say we chat too much and a foolish we are say. But people, the feds them have squash 6ixBoss phone where them find crazy video in a squash 6ixBoss phone, and them are going to use the phone in the case to prove that squash 6ixBoss is a transnational gang leader. Also, we tell you say the feds are going to use squash 6ixBoss song and music video against him. Every photo when post on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube will be used against him in the court of law. Some people say we chat too much. Some people say we don't know the law. But the feds them actually subpoena Yahoo to turn over all information on squash 6ixBoss. And Yahoo are going to turn over every information per squash 6ixBoss. People, enough people don't understand what we are saying. But the United States of America always update and change them law. The feds, the federal government is responsible for changing laws in the United States of America. And remember rapper Young Thugs when them pass the law and use him rap lyrics against him in the court of law. Everything when say in a rap was played in the courthouse and used as evidence against Young Thugs, the rapper. Same thing happened to other rapper in the United States of America as well. So your rap music is not only art, it is also evidence that will be used against you in the court of law. And them a use squash 6ixBoss music video against him. Certain tool when have in the music video, them see the tool in a phone, in a pictures and also videos. The people them were there around him in the music video, all of the told them a look up the serial number and them a get every information pan the tool them were used in the music video. Squash 6ixBoss have several videos and pictures in him phone, and the feds them have full access to the phone. People, me tell you, enough people not believe we, and enough people say we chat too much, but the law them is constantly changing, and enough of the bad man them, enough of the thugs them no know the law. People, the feds them been a watch squash on 3 different occasions. The feds them update them website every information pan Squash 6ixBoss dep on the website. Seeing people, Squash 6ixBoss lawyer did actually file forget certain things in a Squash case to stay secret to the public, but a judge actually remove it. See, so Squash lawyer wasn't successful. So every information pan Squash 6ixBoss is public information, and we go on the website and see all of the information. There was certain tools where Squash 6ixBoss get catch in a car, in a Porsche, in a Orlando, Florida, with different tool in the car, and the driver did get blame. But most of them case there, them a bring them back. Them case there a bring back. So Squash a get charged for them case there. So the picture them in a phone with him a whole a pink chip Glock when he have in a music video. Them even have video with him a discharge a chip Glock, and he is a illegal alien. The man is not legal in the United States of America. So he's also getting charged as an illegal immigrant discharging firearm and have firearm in a music video. So everything where they on Instagram, when delete, the feds them I get back all of them information there. All them YouTube videos them are used in the court of law. Yes, some people make music video, but there is companies where them can rent them tool there from and use them tool there in the music video. The tool them where you rent in a music video, I go have the name of the company and which company you rent the tool from. All of the tool them in the video, them I say illegal. It is not registered to any company, and them no rent it. So the videos them where Squash have, where him a do screenshot, him a do selfie, and him a have videos, him have pictures with him sitting down with other people with certain tool on the table them have all of them information there. So the feds are go end him career. When the lawyer get all of them information there, the lawyer go make him know say right now them can't win that case there. It no make sense him go court, because right now him caught up between a rock and a hard place. Jump out a frying pan, jump straight in a fire. Them have every information, and the tool them where Squash 6ixBoss have, them track them tool there back to him wife. Them register to him wife as she purchased them tool there allegedly, but it depend the feds. It depend the feds website. So it's either you might go take the charge them, plead guilty, snitch, inform, work with the feds them, so him can get less time and probably get asylum where them not deport him back to Jamaica. But if him not take the plea deal, him will get deported to Jamaica, or the United States of America now sign some deal with 12 other countries. So there's other country out there where them can send you. So once you decide to go trial and you get certain amount of time in a prison, them are going to send you where them want to send you. But if Squash decide to take a plea deal and can probably put in the plea deal, say if him go back to Jamaica, him life I go there in a problem, him life I go in danger, so him would want a asylum, or him would want to get deported to a country of his choice. But once you decide, say you not take the plea deal, that is of the country. So we know, say you can't get deported, go El Salvador, plus there is certain country in Africa where them are go deport you, them are go send you enough of them country there, certain people will get deported there, no have no family, no have no friends, plus them family no have the resources for go there, go look for them. So it's not a good look for find yourself in a prison in our next country where your family and your friends can look for you or have the money or the resources or probably have visa or the proper paperwork to come visit you. Just like how Jack Ure get locked up over there in Europe. No fine families and friends no have the resources, the money, the visa, the travel documents figure link him. If him they get locked up in Mobile or Kingston, easy if a couple of artists go link him. Easy if him families and friends carry food and clothes and link him on a regular basis. But when him get visitation, no when they over there say in Europe, probably not see nobody for whole month or months or years because what? If far out no fine family and friends them reach. So if man like Squash get deported, got El Salvador, it's not a good look. Him no speak Spanish. If him get deported, got Africa, he no speak no for them language there, plus no for them country there is very hostile, especially if you're black, especially if you're Jamaican, dog, name, you supper. See, but me telling you before, say once you have a phone and you delete certain things off on the Facebook, on the YouTube or Instagram, it still did it. You just need a subpoena from the judge. Once the judge grant the subpoena, the Instagram have to give up the information, Facebook, YouTube, plus none of them company there no want the smoke with the feds. They no want no problem with the feds, so them rather dash you under the bus. So as me said before, there is a subpoena issued to Yahoo, where Yahoo are going to turn over videos and photos. Me telling you, say the feds ramp rough. The feds move slow. Them no rush nothing. Every move is properly orchestrated. Every move is on point. Every move where they make a calculated move. Feds no move like Jamaican police. Like when Jamaican police pick you up, let you go. Pick you up, let you go. And also the feds work. Plus the feds have money, resources, links, contact, workers, all of the thing them fi fight a case. So if you decide to go war with the feds, them can also freeze your bank account. When them freeze your bank account, you not even have money. You not have resources to fight them. Most of the time, even if you have money and resources to fight them, by the time them finish with you, you're up on a different level. Bank book dry up. Look on P. Diddy. P. Diddy was known as almost a billionaire. And since he start fight the feds them and pay out certain case, him down to like $460 million. It take money. It take lawyer. It take the proper team. You're gonna need the best lawyers them on your team fi fight for you, and them lawyer charge some serious money a hour. See, say Squash want a real lawyer right now. The lawyer they probably will charge 8 to 10 grand a hour. Say if them got court for 5 hours in a no time a $50,000 that plus the other time them when them a work plus who a work with them. Lawyer fee not cheap when they come to the big dog lawyer them fi fight the feds. So Squash resources right now I got drain fi fight them big feds case here. So he better in plea guilty and accept the plea deal and ask if him can get asylum, because if him go back to Jamaica, him life in a danger. So he better start snitch for some people because them label him as a transnational gang leader. Them have invoices, them have receipt, them have pictures, them have videos, them have text. Them have everybody where him link with and associate himself with. So the mother and father say him innocent and I set them a try set him up. Yes, we know the Jamaican government work strongly with the feds and the American government because Jamaica try to get rid of enough of the done them where they overseas send back certain tools at Jamaica. And most bad man, me tell you this, the world are going in a direction, you know, where the badness what uno a push, I know that the badness that go on, a government badness, them a try clean up enough of the country them, especially Jamaica. Jamaica try clean up and get rid of certain bad man because them want to attract certain investors and them want to attract certain tourists, certain business, certain corporation. Jamaica try develop in our first world so them are going to get rid of enough of them bad man yeah. Plus the government no want bad man anymore so them can't win no election. Election is something where you just need style and energy and some internet mean and some internet personality. At that number you need trendy stuff. So you don't need bad man again. See? So right now, enough of the country, them are clean up. So them are try to get rid of enough of the bad man them. You remember back in the days, certain bad man was untouchable. And also you go again. A crazy done. You see drop out from 2020. Till now, them a get rid of enough of them. And most of the complaint where Jamaican people have is crime and violence. Returning resident problem is crime and violence. Enough people want to go back, go live at Jamaica, invest in a Jamaica, but crime and violence is the problem. So them a try get rid of enough of them people there. A government badness, white collar crime, cyber crime, and internet crime, the people. It think they know. Where you have to good with computer and all of them thing there. But them a get rid of enough of the scammer them, enough of the bad man them, enough of the one them way out there send back tool got Jamaica. So election time now, so Andrew Wallace a clean up the thing so he can win back and get a next term in a office. Likewise, President Donald Trump a clean up US same way and a get rid of enough criminal and send them go all across the world. Them a clean up America. So every bad man and gangster have to keep a low key now. Remember them pull over squash in 2023 now. And it was different because Joe Biden was in power. Now a Donald Trump in a power, in a plea. Certain things where you did get where we then, you now get where we did now. So like how them whole squash 6ixBoss phone problem did it dry snitch pan himself. Certain pictures and videos where him take will use against him in the court of law. People stay tuned. We have more video for drop and we have more Panda Squash 6ixBoss case here because the case here big because a federal case and he's a dancer superstar. Enough people want to know what go on. We know they are so to bring down the artists. We just they are so to make people learn from it and understand what go on and understand so when you come out and get certain opportunity, make it best on an opportunity. Stop waste time. Low crime and violence. Yes, no fun to come from a certain area, the ghetto, the garrison and all of that. But we still can hold up we head and make the best use of the opportunity. We don't have to be a product of the environment. Enough other artists come from wicked garrison than squash, but hold up them head. We see squash get locked up, Vice Cartel get locked up, Ninja Man, Tommy Lee, Jacure, Laden. We have to learn. Jump Out TV production, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.